Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can get data from MongoDB using API books and how we can write API documentation for that. So first, let's start Postman, and on Postman we will see what data we are getting when we will call /API/books. So now here we have opened books, and then you can see we have endpoint localhost 80/API/book. This should match exactly with our endpoint API/books. So if I call this particular, if I will call API/books and we will send the request, you can see in response we have these things: ID, name, and then /i_id, name, and then ID. So now here we can see in this particular object we have three things: ID, name, and then again ID. So for that we have to also get the same response in our Swagger UI, right? So we have to create one more documentation for books, and for that what we will do, we can write here /streak and hype and then enter, and after that we will write @Swagger. Inside that we will write here /API/books. So this should match with this one, and then we can say colon. Next we will write get. After one tab we will press get because this is get request, and then we will say description. So we can say summary, description, and all whatever things we are writing. So we can say here summary, and then we can say to get all books from MongoDB, and then we can say description. In description, this API is used to fetch data from MongoDB. Now after description we have to give the response. So we will write here responses, and then responses will be 200, and in this responses now we have to give the description, that what kind of response we want. So I can say simply this one, right? So we have here responses. Then now next thing is we have to give the content. So what kind of content you want? So in content, what kind of data you are expecting. So I'll write